We're out here on the beach by Seawolf Park. There's the ship. We got a lot further up because tide was low. A lot of trash out here. We're gonna start picking it up. Interestingly, over here, we got a whole bunch of shotgun shells. Bottles. All the normal stuff. Part of a car, looks like. Anyway, so we're gonna get started, fill up our trailer, and start heading back. All right, guys. So we are a good mile from that park. And even way out here, look at what we find. Diapers. Good old diapers. It's actually a first for me out here. But still, of course, we got beer bottles. More diapers. Somebody must have had a kid out here having a good old time. About 6:30. We're heading back. We got a full trailer. That's a 50-60 gallons right there. Another 10 will be in that rig, another 5 in this one. And look at what my wife's sticking up over here. All of these dang bottles, man. Jeez. And more importantly, a crab hole. But wow. All right, guys, we're back here at Seawolf Park. We probably got, I don't know, I'm gonna say that's 70, 80 gallons. That one's obviously way overloaded. And then when we pull this one off, I'll show you all the stuff over here. There we go. And that was off maybe a quarter-mile section of beach. So, all right, guys, we'll keep going.